To create a KVM on Arch Linux from the command line, you can use QEMU commands. To begin, first, create a separate directory for the virtual machine and move the downloaded OS.iso file to the newly created folder. Then, create a 20G image file that will store the KVM's data. Proceed by running the following command to start the virtual machine. Make sure to replace linux-distro.iso in the command with the correct file name and path. You can also change the value of the M flag to configure the amount of memory you want to allocate to the KVM. A new virtual machine window will appear. Feel free to test out or install the operating system. After installing the OS to the image file, you don't need the cdrom flag in the command, since you won't be booting from the ISO file anymore. Instead, run this command.